Good morning, students. So let's come back with the differentiation now. I hope in previous video lessons I have done with the special cases. Make sure you make thorough with the special cases, because most of the question here, all the questions I'm going to use with the special cases. I'm going to use the special cases. Under this question number 1, I will solve 9 sub questions. After you complete with video lessons on 9 sub questions, then start doing homework 1 under differentiation. Question number 1, 2, 3, question number 4, sub question 1 and 4. So let's go with this question. Differentiate with respect to x means y is purely depending on x. If there is change in x, there will be change in y. Small increment in x, there will be small increment in y. That's the meaning. So now, but one important thing, if the question says differentiate with respect to a, and the function given is y is equal to 12x square minus 3a square plus 5. Question clearly says to differentiate with respect to a, meaning y depends on a, it does not depend on x. So therefore this 12x square completely becomes a constant. Okay? So if you happen to differentiate this function, this will be dy by dx. If you are comfortable with dy by dx, you use dy by dx. Because we have many notation. Either you can write dy by dx, either you can write y dash, either you can write f dash of x if the function is given f of x, okay? Or either you can write y1 as well. These all are the notations for the differentiation. So this case, let's come back with this. 12x becomes completely a constant, so answer will be minus 2368. 5 also is a constant. Answer becomes negative 68. Because the question says to differentiate with respect to a, y purely depends on a. There's a rate of change, because if there's a rate of change of a, there's a rate of change in y. Because differentiation is purely on rate of change. Let's go with this question now. We have dy by dx. 12 is constant, keep as it is. Now you know the power rule. What's the n value? N value is negative 5 over 6 x raised to n minus 1, which is negative 5 by 6 minus 1. 6 times 2 becomes 12, which is equal to negative 10 x raised to, please do LCM. 6 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 becomes minus 11 over 6. Then next one, you simplify to the last, okay? Now do not keep here. I can write this one as negative 10. Bring this x down, becomes x raised to 11 by 6. Minus 11 will become positive 11 by 6, which is equivalent to negative 10 divided by, shall I change in root? Make sure you give answer in root, final answer, okay? This becomes an index. Index is 6. 6th root of x raised to 11. This will be the final simplified answer. Either you write 11 inside or you write outside. I told you yesterday, meaning is same. Now let's go with the question number 2, Roman number 2.